Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group PBL 313, and today we will be presenting the project that we have developed. First of all, I would like to introduce my team members along with their respective roles. The first one is me, Hadi Wiranata, as front-end and back-end. The next one is Fari Andrean Saputra as back-end. The next one is Ibrahim Marioka as UI UX and front-end. The next one is Hermansa as UI UX and front-end. The next one is Muhammad Adin as quality assurance and backend. The last one is Naila Nur Nabila as business analyst and backend. Our project is called EcoTrack. It's a web-based app that helps users track daily activities that affect the environment, especially carbon emission from vehicles. It also calculates its user carbon footprint. The goals is to promote eco-friendly habits, raise awareness about reducing emission, and encourage people to use bicycle or other non-emission transport. EcoTracks includes features like activity tracking, carbon calculation, donation, and statistic. It's available as a mobile app for users and a web dashboard for admin. The next one will be explained by my friend Ibra Marioka.
Overview of the application. This application provides an overview of the application operation when used by user, including login, vehicle selection, carbon footprint calculation, and logout. Next is functional and non-functional requirement. F1, email and password login for admin. F2, main page with tracking, history, donation, and profile menu. F3, track transportation activity and calculate carbon emission. F4, display emission and donation history in list or table. F5, show detailed history, date, vehicle, distance, and emission. F6, donation with amount imputed, payment method, and save transaction. F7, edit profile, name, email, and password. F8, admin dashboard with summary data. F9, create for emission factor. F10, create for community data. F11, view, manage, download, and print donation report. F12, logout for user and admin. Next is non-functional requirement. And F1, data encryption, strong attack protection. And F2, intuitive and user-friendly interface. And F3, Android 8.0 plus, iOS 13 plus, and modern browser. And F4, 3-second calculation, and 10,000 user support. And F5, 99 uptime and daily backup to our recovery. And F6, clear Indonesian interface. Next will be explained by Fahri.
Okay, so here we have the use case. The use case has two actors, which is users and admin. Both users can log in, register, track emissions, view history, make donations, and edit profiles. Meanwhile, admin can manage emission factors, communities, and donation reports. Next. Here we have the ER diagram. The entities are pengguna, kendaraan pengguna, jenis kendaraan, rekomendasi transportasi, pelacakan emisi, ringkasan emisi, notifikasi, donasi, transaksi donasi, komunitas, dan ringkasan donasi. Next will be explained by Hermansa.
Service design on supported server. The server design on the EcoTrack application server is created to ensure that data management and communication process between mobile application and database runs smoothly, quickly, and in structured manner. The main service the user include 1. Web server needs, 2. Database server MySQL as PostgreSQL, 3. Cloud storage or Firebase, 4. API service integration, 5. Application server Laravel API. Next slide. Database security concept. Database security in the EcoTrack application aim to protect user data, donation, and emission calculating result. Implementation is carried out through 1. Authentication and authorization, data encryption, input validation, backup and recovery, donation transaction security. With this design, the EcoTrack system to able to maintain the confidently integrity and available of data comprehensively. Next, Naila.
Okay, the next is user persona. This is Kairi Dinata, 21 years old, student from Batam who rides to scooter to campus every day. Kairi wants to save gas and care for the environment, but doesn't know how to calculate emission. They find similar apps too complicated. She is motivated because she wants to help protect the earth in a simple way. So based on this persona, we focus on creating an application that is easy to understand and relevant young people like Kairi. Okay. Next is user-friendly design principle. EcoTrack is an application for tracking vehicle emission and carbon donation. The design principle is simple. First, simple and consistent for ease of us. Next, efficient with a fast flow from login to tracking. Next, clear and responsive through data display and notification. And finally, motivating user to care more about the environment. That way, EcoTrack remains practical but has a positive impact. Okay, next will be explained by Adin.
Right. Okay, feature of the application. This is a main feature of EcoTrack. First, user display in choose feature. Next, choose full of feature and start a journey. If user has start a journey, user have a two click button. Choose if user click a pause, user have a three click button like reset, continue, and stop. And if a user click a stop, uh, data of a journey can save in a history. Next slide. In application testing, registration, login, and authentication status is yes. API backend is a yes. Database yes. Visual data input is a yes. UI UX is yes. Calculation result UI is a yes. Data security and documentation, the status is a yes. Next will be explained by Hadi.
Okay, this is the next development plan of our project. The first one is develop donation system. Integrate the features that allows user to easily make donation and track their contribution. The last one is build admin web panel. Create an admin dashboard for managing user data, articles, and donation activity efficiently. Okay, that's all about our project. We hope our project will be useful. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.